Imagine this: 1/3 of all food produced globally goes to waste. That's around 1.3 billion tons of food every year. It's not only a loss of resources, but it also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Food waste is a serious issue that affects us all, but the good news is, we all have a part to play in reducing it. It starts with understanding the problem and then taking conscious steps. But don't worry, there are simple ways you can help reduce food waste right in your kitchen. First off, become a smart shopper. Think ahead, plan your meals for the week, and make a shopping list. Stick to it. This way, you'll buy only what you need, reducing the chance of food being wasted. Resist the temptation of impulse buying, even if that 2-for-1 deal seems irresistible. It's not a bargain if it ends up in the bin. By being mindful and intentional with your purchases, you can significantly cut down on food waste. Remember, buying only what you need is the first step towards a zero-waste kitchen. Next, get creative with your cooking. Innovation is the key to reducing food waste in the kitchen. Who said vegetable scraps belong in the trash? Turn those peels, ends, and stalks into a flavorful broth. It's simple, nutritious, and a perfect base for your next soup or stew. Stale bread is another item that often gets tossed out. But wait, give that loaf a second chance. Pulse it in a food processor, and you've got yourself some homemade breadcrumbs. They're ideal for coating chicken, thickening sauces, or adding a crunch to your salads. Leftovers? Don't just reheat them, reinvent them. Transform last night's chicken into a savory pot pie or a refreshing salad. That half can of chickpeas? Whip it up into a creamy hummus. By using every part of the food, you not only reduce waste, but also discover new delicious recipes. So let's turn waste into taste and make our kitchens a zero-waste zone. Now, let's talk about proper food storage. Storing food correctly is key to extending its shelf life. From using airtight containers for dry goods to storing dairy products in the coldest part of your fridge, every type of food has its ideal storage condition. And remember, don't shy away from freezing leftovers. It's a great way to save meals for later, and it can also preserve their flavor and nutritional value. With proper storage, you can enjoy your food longer and save it from the bin. So, to recap, we've walked through some key steps. Smart shopping habits that help you buy only what you need. Innovative cooking tips that let you use often discarded food parts for delicious meals. And proper food storage to extend the life of your groceries. By adopting these simple practices, you can make a big difference in reducing food waste. Remember, every small step counts towards a better and healthier planet. Hey there! If you've enjoyed this video and you're hungry for more tips on healthy and sustainable living, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Healthy Eats and Wisdom. Look for the red subscribe button right below this video and give it a click. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we publish new videos. And to make sure you never miss an update, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications. We're all in this together, and every new subscriber is another person joining our community in the fight against food waste. So, join us today, and let's make a difference together. Happy zero-waste cooking!